English speaking course.
Story 1. In the Office. Oh, hi Tom. I'm new here. I feel a bit lost. Can you help me with something?
Of course. How can I help you today?
Well, first, I don't know how to use a printer. Can you show me how it works?
No problem. This is the print button. You press this, select your document on the computer, and hit print.
Oh, that seems simple. I was so worried I'd break it.
Don't worry, everyone has trouble on their first day. What else do you need help with?
I also want to make sure I follow the company rules. Are there any important things I should know?
Yes, there are a few. Firstly, we don't eat at our desks. And always keep your phone on silent during meetings.
I got it. No eating at the desk, phone on silent. Hey, Lara. I hope you're getting comfortable. If you need help with anything, don't be afraid to ask. Thank you. Actually, I was wondering about the dress code. Is there any policy I should follow? Oh, yes, it's business casual. You can wear jeans, but try to keep things professional. No sneakers or graphic t-shirts. Oh, phew. I wasn't sure. I'll make sure to follow that. Oh no, my laptop isn't working. I'm gonna join the meeting in 5 minutes. Oh, don't worry. Let me call Nick from IT. Hey, Nick, can you come help Lara? She's having trouble with her laptop.
Sure, I'll be right there. What's the problem?
Ugh, my laptop froze while I was trying to join the meeting.
I see the problem. It's a quick fix. I'll restart it and you'll be good to go.
Oh, thank you so much. I was so stressed about missing the meeting.
Don't worry. Just let me know if you have any more problems with your laptop.
I definitely will. Thanks again. I learned a lot today. Without you guys, I don't know what I would do. Story 2. At the supermarket. Mom, I'll help you find things today. Good girl. What do you want to eat today? Mushroom pasta? Good choice, sweetie. Now you will help me find the mushrooms. Is that okay? I agree. Let me show you how good I am. That's a good spirit. Let me see. Here it is, Mom. Good job, my girl. The next thing is pasta. Okay, let me find them. Where is the pasta? I've checked everywhere. No problem, Mia. I'll ask the staff here. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. How can I help you?
I'm looking for pasta, but I can't find it.
No problem. The pasta is in aisle 5. Let me show you.
Oh, great. There it is. But wait, where's the whole wheat pasta? I only see regular pasta.
Looks like we're out of the whole wheat kind. Let me check with another staff member. One moment. Hey, do we have any more whole wheat pasta in the back? Sorry, we're out for now. It'll be restocked tomorrow. Sorry, we don't have that right now, but we'll have more tomorrow. Would you like to try the pasta gluten-free instead?
I guess we could try that. Where is it?
It's just here on the shelf.
Thanks, I'll give it a try. Where is it? Mom, I see it. Here you are. Oh, so fast, Mia. You are as good as you say. Now we need olive oil. It's my turn. Excuse me, where's the olive oil?
Olive oil's right over there.
Oh, I see it. Thanks. Oh no. You're out of the brand I usually buy. I want the brand Helen.
It looks like we don't have it, but the store might have it. Let me go check it.
Okay, that would be amazing. Thank you.
Good news! They have it in stock.
Oh, thank you so much. You've helped me a lot today.
You're very welcome. If you need anything else, just let us know. Hi there. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, thanks to Kay. He was very helpful.
And how about you, young lady? Did you help your mum?
Yes, I picked mushrooms and pasta.
That's awesome. You're a great helper.
Oh, what a fun shopping trip. Next time, I'll bring you here more often. Story 3. At the restaurant.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. How can I help you today?
Hi, we're excited to try the food here.
We have a reservation for table number 5.
Yes, I see your reservation. Please follow the staff.
Follow me, please. So, what do you want to have?
I think I'll have the chicken soup. What do you recommend?
The chicken soup is a great choice. It's one of our best sellers. And I highly recommend the grilled salmon. It's fresh and delicious. Oh, that sounds amazing. I'll have the grilled salmon, please. Can I also get a side salad with that? Absolutely. Would you like dressing on the salad? Yes, please. I'll have Italian dressing.
Could I get a glass of orange juice?
And sparkling water for me. Of course. I'll be back shortly with your drinks and food. It's coming.
Thanks.
Oh no, I spilled water everywhere.
Oh, quick, let's clean up together.
Oh, I can't believe I did that.
Excuse me, can you help us, please?
Oh dear, no problem. Is everything else okay? Yes, thank you. I'm so sorry about that. Let me get some fresh napkins for you. Here it is.
Oh, thanks for your help.
Hello. I heard about the spill. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine now, thanks to the waiter's quick help.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like a free dessert to make up for the spill? We want to make sure your meal is still enjoyable.
Oh, that's so kind of you, but I'm okay. I was just a little careless. Everything is fine now.
We just want you to have a comfortable experience. We're sure it'll cheer you up a lot.
Wow, that sounds good.
I guess I can't say no now. What do you recommend?
Our chocolate lava cake is very popular, and it tastes so good.
Oh, that sounds amazing. We'll have that, please. Here's your dessert. Enjoy. It looks delicious.
Let's try it right now. Oh, this is so good.
Oh, it's like a party in my mouth.
I guess we should come here more often. The service is excellent.
Yeah, even though it's not their fault, they treat us very well.
I can't agree more.
Story 4. At the police station.
Hello? I need help.
911, what's your emergency?
There's been a break-in at my house. I just came home from work and found my front door open. I think someone broke in while I was out.
I understand. Are you inside your house now?
No, I'm outside. I'm too scared to go in.
That's wise. Stay outside and wait for the police. Can you tell me your address?
Yes, it's 224 Bentley Street. Please hurry.
Thank you. Officers are on their way. Please stay where you are and stay safe.
Hi there, I'm Officer Smith. How can I help you? Thank you for coming so quickly. I'm so scared. I'm Tim. Can you tell us what happened? Sure. I came home to find my door open. I'm really scared someone's inside. We'll check your house. Did you notice anything strange when you arrived? Just the open door. Everything else looks normal, but I'm really worried. All right, let's go inside together. Make sure to stay close to us. Okay, I hope everything's okay. I just bought new furniture last week. It seems empty. We'll check every room to be sure. I really hope nothing's missing. I left my laptop on the table and I don't have enough money to buy a new one. It looks like no one's here, but we see signs of a break-in. Let's search for fingerprints and gather some proof. It's safe to go back in. We'll need to write down some details for the report. Thank you. What do you need from me? Just a few questions about what you noticed. Can you tell us if anything seems to be missing? I'll need to check, but my laptop's usually on the table. And I had some cash in the drawer. That's important. We'll make sure to include that in our report. If you remember anything else, please call us. We're here to help. Thank you. I feel much better now that you're here. Remember, if you ever feel unsafe, don't be afraid to contact us. We can check your neighborhood more often if you'd like. That would really help. I've never gone through something like this before. It's scary. You made the right choice by calling us. Keep an eye out and don't forget to lock your doors. I will. Thanks for everything. I'll also talk to my neighbors. We could build a group to keep an eye on the neighborhood. That's a great idea. Community support can make a big difference. We'll follow up on this case and keep you updated. I'll be careful from now on. Thank you again for your help.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.